Welcome to a place where muscle meets timeless elegance. Here, in this sleek and modern showroom, stands the epitome of American power and performance, the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Bathed in a bold rally green finish, this legendary muscle car captures the spirit of the 60s while commanding attention in today's world. At first glance, the Camaro SS stands proud. Its aggressive front grille, iconic SS badging, and sharply defined headlights leave no doubt, this is a car built for those who crave power and style. The sleek lines and sculpted hood are more than just design, they represent the strength and speed that the Camaro was made to deliver. Every detail of the 1969 Camaro SS is designed for precision. From the 15-inch rally wheels, each with 5 bold spokes, to the performance tires that grip the road with confidence, this car is engineered to perform. The reflective chrome accents and polished finish elevate its iconic presence, whether parked or in motion. Under the hood, the Camaro SS means business. With a 396 cubic inch V8 engine, it's a true powerhouse that roars to life with an unmistakable sound. The clean and meticulously detailed engine bay shines under the showroom lights, showcasing the heart of this American legend. It's not just about looks, it's about raw, unfiltered power. Inside the 1969 Camaro SS, the performance is matched by comfort and craftsmanship. The leather seats invite you to take control, while the classic steering wheel and dashboard exude the vintage charm of this muscle car. Every detail, from the tactile shifter to the minimalist controls, is designed for a pure driving experience. Peering into the cockpit, you're immediately reminded that this is a machine built for the road. The dashboard, adorned with vintage gauges and the iconic SS badge, is a nod to the Camaro's racing heritage. It's a no-nonsense design that places the driver at the center of it all, ready for the next adventure. From the rear, the 1969 Camaro SS continues to impress. The dual exhausts, set under the sharply designed rear bumper, promise a performance that's as bold as it looks. The taillights glow softly under the showroom lights, completing the aggressive yet elegant design. Every inch of this car exudes confidence. Take a step back and admire the full package. The 1969 Camaro SS isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece of design. From its front grille to its rear exhaust, from the high-performance wheels to its sleek, muscular profile, every line, every curve is intentional. In a modern showroom, this classic muscle car feels right at home, a perfect blend of past and present, as the spotlight illuminates the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. You can't help but appreciate its enduring appeal. The bold rally green color pops against the showroom backdrop, capturing the essence of a bygone era while commanding attention in the present. This is more than just a car, it's a symbol of American muscle and automotive history. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS is a timeless classic, an icon of American muscle, designed for those who appreciate power, style, and history. Experience the legend for yourself, and let the Camaro SS take you back to a time when driving was pure and unrestrained. The legacy continues, and it starts here. Explore the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS today. Discover the muscle. Feel the power. Own the legend.